Hello, this is Joey at Joey Central. Welcome to the very first video of my C++ programming tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to give a brief background of my experience as a programmer and then explain what to expect from the series. It may be tempting to skip this video and move on to the next, but I encourage you to listen as it will help you determine if this video series is right for you. I will start with a brief biography of myself. I started to program ever since I was 12 years old. My first language was ActionScript 2.0 because my goal at the time was to create my very first Flash game. Ever since then, I started to learn other languages such as Microsoft VB.NET, HTML, JavaScript, and a little bit of server-side scripting languages such as PHP and SQL. At the time, programming courses did not exist in schools. So like you, I learned through YouTube videos. At the time, however, there were not nearly as many resources as there are today. As my skills grew, I decided to learn more advanced languages such as Python, Java, and yes, C++, the language that you'll be learning in this series. After learning the concepts of object-oriented programming, I worked on some projects of my own. Some of them included creating my very first website using HTML, CSS, and a little bit of JavaScript, reprogrammed the robot using light sensors to navigate through a light maze by determining certain light frequencies, designed an interface for store's inventory using VB.NET, which managed the inventory of all the store's products inside of an SQL database, and many more projects. To this day, I continue to pursue further knowledge in the realm of computer software through academics and hands-on experience. Now that you got to know me a little, let me explain how this guide is going to work. First, it will not simply be a cookbook of how to write specific programs. Rather, I will go into concepts and visually demonstrate them on slides. After, I will create examples by opening the IDE, which in this video series will be Windows Visual Studio, and writing up some code to demonstrate the concepts from a programming perspective. The goal is to help you understand the concepts so that you, the programmer, can use this knowledge to build knowledge on your own programming bookshelf so that you can acquire enough tools to be able to create any project, large or small, of your choice. The video can also be found in my programming tutorial playlist on my YouTube channel, and it will be categorized alphanumerically, meaning that each concept will be numbered and the letters that follow will be the parts for each concept. So for an example, if we go over one concept and it has 5 parts, instead of numbering it 1 through 5 or calling each part concept 1 part 1, concept 1 part 2, etc., it will instead be called concept 1A, concept 1B, and then etc. And I highly doubt we're going to get the concept any number Z. Lastly, this series will be a work in progress, meaning that I will still be working on the parts to come after releasing a new part. Some concepts will have more parts than others depending on the importance of the concept and how deep in depth I will go into teaching that said concept. That just about covers the series. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down below in the comments section and I will get back to you when I can. If you enjoyed this video and my future videos, then please leave a like on the like button and subscribe to see more. With that said, I will be back soon with the next part of the series, so don't stray far and remain in the Central.